Ay. Tama. Top girl ka na. Top girl ka na. Talaga. Sabi sa'yo nag-iwalay yung dalawa. Ay, shit. Hi guys, so it's currently 6:37 a.m. and iinis ako talaga. Naglobat yung phone ko. Naglobat siya. Tapos ngayon, imbes na may ginagamit yung tao, wala ginagamit. Anyway, ano ba? Wala akong masabi. I'm so speechless. So, ayun guys. So, ayun. Meron ditong mga ganito. Like, keychain. Charm keychain. And, bili na kayo. PM nyo lang. Nagaganon-ganon siya. Let's go. Let's eat with me. I'm going to eat my breakfast muna. Kasi I am so hungry. I'm so hungry right now. This person is so very hungry.
Figuring out my shit. I'm not perfect, don't wanna be, but I'm perfectly me. Drain myself in luxurious words. If I'm ever feeling down in the dirt, if a situation never gets worse, in order to grow sometimes you gotta hurt. Love is what I got. It's the truth, I remember that. Love is what I got. What I got. Life tried up a candle, lost Lucy. Oh my.
So guys, tapos na akong magluto. And, ayan, kakain na sila. So actually, pinag-prepare ko na sila ng breakfast. Anyway, I am so very yesterday I was like cheating on my diet little bit, yeah, because I ate ice cream. Before kasi nag-try na ako mag-diet, but ano lang siya, parang I'm so very strict on my body na medyo pumayat ako doon because I was dancing, workout, and etc. And I only eat
Baby, I've been wrecking my brain.
So I have a playlist here in YouTube that all my workouts are here na. So hi guys. So I'm done with one video with my exercise. So I'll be right back after all of this, after all of my workouts. I'll be right back. I'm done with everything. I'm done with everything. I'm done with my exercise, my workout, my shower na rin ako, and tapos na rin ako sa skincare ko. So yan, nag lip balm lang ako, yan. Actually, my body was very tired right now.
To the dark side, numerous times. How could somebody possibly love me? Couldn't stand on my own 2 feet. Now I eat and I sleep and I dream. And when the storm clouds rain on me, I wash, I rinse and repeat. I must go, I can't stay. Wish I could be sorry, so much time you cost me. I don't wanna play in the deep dark depths anymore.
I'm done cleaning our living room. Basta kusina na, our kitchen. Dinatnan tayo ng gutom. So, kanina, lumabas kami, bumili kami ng bread. Ay, nagpabili pala ako ng bread. Yes, so, actually, itong dalawang bread na to, ito yung favorite kong bread among all. Ano tayo ng YouTube? Ano tayo ng 17? Because, yesterday pa ako nanonood ng 17. Ay, 17 and Cat 7. Guys, alam nyo ba, sobrang gwapo nila talaga. Like, alam nyo, ngayon ko lang, lately ko lang ulit na-appreciate yung beauty nila. Oh my god. EXO. Alam nyo ba, lately, I was listening to Wolf by EXO, and paulit-ulit talaga siya sa Spotify, guys. Makikita nyo, Wolf, tas Growl. Because I miss them so much. Guys, alam niyo po, gini-jonghan talaga sobra-sobra. Nayepuda!
I'm too nice, they don't wanna piss me off, what you do. I ain't losing CCCs over you. I'm too busy doing me to match your energy. I hit a block and then I resume. I don't grow tired of the high road. No, you want me to be somebody I don't know. It's all irrelevant anyway. And that's all tea, no shade. That's all tea, no shade. That's all tea, no shade. Let me confidently unafraid. Harvest me, that's one wanna give my respect, go ahead and cut my check. Cut it, cut it. You can't harvest me.
Ito, ramen. Hindi, ang ramen sa Japan. Ang ramyun sa Korea.
Hindi masarap yan pag na
Forgot where the ground is. I'm in love, I'm sparkling. No lifeguard, no safety vest. I'm diving in. Wingardium Leviosa. You love me and all of my flaws. Intelligence on the money grain jar. Your love language is levitating my heart. No second thoughts about it. There ain't no getting round it. They're searching for it, we found it. Leaving me astounded. Babe, your aura amplifies morning, afternoon, or night. Give it to me, and I'll light up your life every day. Don't have to ask me, sun or rain. Guaranteed will be kites in the cloud. Nimbus 2000 floating around.
Your head counts, your head is up.
Ate, close ko na yun. Para...